this is Hans, once again, with Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Alright, we got that. We're good. So, what do we have today? Well, check this out. I'm kind of stoked on the graphic on it. You're probably like, what's that? That's kind of cool, right? Well, and then you're probably like, okay, well, yeah, but what is it? So this is Cup Noodles Laksa from Japan. Now, Nissin Foods Singapore makes a laksa cup, but it doesn't look like that. And I've had a cup noodle laksa before from Japan, but it didn't look like that cup either. So I figured, well, you know, came in a Zen Top box. What the heck? Won't be a re-review because it's different packaging, but we will give it a try. So it calls for 310 milliliters of water, and what do? That's what you do. You put 310 milliliters of water in the microwave. And then, how long does it want? Oh, 3 minutes. Just like the last two I just did. You set the timer, and you set it, and forget it. Because the timer remembers, see. So, we'll leave it like that. And as usual, I'm going to comment and say, I really think soup and noodles in clear vessels is gross. I've said this multiple times. There's a TV dinner that comes in a thing, and it has a picture of it on the front, and it is a picture of it in a clear bowl, but that really doesn't matter right now because we're going to do some Monopoly tickets, just because you asked for it. Just look through all the comment on everything, and talk about the Monopoly tickets. And the fact that I can't seem to open them. Come on! Yeah, so anyways, there's one. Guess what? Instant winner. More tickets. I don't want more tickets. I want to make these things go away, but they keep, like, piling up. Unless I'm winning cash, I really don't care. Instant winner. Signature Care. Ooh! 325 milligram aspirin, 100 count bottle. Yeah, baby. Salicylic acid. Isn't that it? Well, what's acetylsalicylic acid? I don't know, but I've heard a lot of funny things about aspirin. People have said to me that, you know, if they just invented aspirin today, it would not be over the counter. Instant winner, donut or bagel. Yeah. We don't really eat either of them, and the kids certainly won't. Which is such a bummer. It's like, hey, here's this, here's that. Like, they don't care. That's pretty good, though. That was like 3 instant winners in a row. Now it gets to be boring. And this is Tuesday for me. So, yep. Tomorrow, I don't know what we're gonna do. I might do a mukbang. I might. It's pretty hot in this place, though. More tickets. Oh, boy. And yeah, no. Shutterfly. I like it when they have, like, the free book. Free photo books. Jesus. And 50 cents off bar soap. Yeah, we don't use soap. We're hippies. No, we don't use bar soap. Isn't the deal bar soap dries your skin out? I don't know. All I know is that I'm almost done, and that's good, because then I can do other stuff too. Yeah, that walk this morning really knocked me out. And I don't get to take a normal one at the normal time tomorrow, but we'll do it after my wife gets off work, because tomorrow my son doesn't have school. Bowl. Well, let's taste it in here. Noodle. Okay. Broth. Come on, I saw one floating around. Thought I saw a tofu puff. Yeah, there's one. See that? Tofu puff. Kinda wow. Kinda meh. Alright. Laksa. I'm guessing it's probably... Oh, crud. Crudito. Crudola even. We've got some laksa paste here that's supposed to go in with it. I'm just gonna add this like this. Give it a little stir. Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? Oh, here it comes. Fuck. There. Yeah, I just poured shit all over my fucking shirt. And I actually really hate this shirt, so I think it's okay. And I didn't get it on my pants, so I don't care. But yeah, this shirt pisses me off. And it's a nice shirt, don't get me wrong, but... yeah, fuck this shirt. Did I mention you can get a discount at zenpop.jp if you use the coupon code RamenRaider. Don't use the coupon code RamenRaider says fuck my shirt. Okay. That probably won't do so much at the checkout. Anyways. Wow. Another one of those rare things. Like, wow, you watched the episode today, Bo Steven? That Ramen Raider, he cursed. Yep, I've got probably the most filthiest mouth you've never heard on this show. Ooh, that's pretty-ish. And we got some of this. And oh no, let go. We don't need you. We just need this. Come on, let go. Got a shirt covered in laksa. Come on, I want to get done with this. I don't mind that the shirt's covered in laksa. I just don't like being covered in laksa. Look at that. That's pretty. It's really not a bad one, honestly. Some coriander. You might know it as cilantro. Alright. That's about all you're getting out of me today. I'm good. Yeah, this is good too. So, alright, well, hey, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you, I see you watching, Enjoy your instant noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.